We're gathered here today not to witness the beginning of what will be, but rather what already is. We are all here to celebrate with Aaron and Alicia the wondrous and joyful occurrence that has already taken place in their lives. Aaron and Alicia, the rings that you've just exchanged are a symbol of unity. Your two lives are now joined in an unbroken circle, in which wherever you go, you will always return to one another.
We'd like to thank everybody for coming here tonight to celebrate this very special day with Alicia and Aaron. You both are so fortunate to have found each other, soulmates, and truly know that your lives together will be rich and full of love.
Aaron and Alicia, I wish you all the love to celebrate today. Wonderful dreams to share tomorrow. The time has now come to celebrate this day with all of your friends and family who gather here today. As you begin this chapter in your lives, remember that all of your yesterdays have led you to today, and your love will lead you into tomorrow. In front of these witnesses, do you, Aaron Wright, take Alicia Strathern to be your lawful wedded wife?
I do. I, Aaron, take you, Alicia, to be my beautifully wedded wife, to hold and to give back rubs to. I promise to love you, take care of you, even more than our dog Burrito, encourage you, inspire you, to laugh with you, to comfort you, in sickness and in health, in richness and in debt. I will cherish all the moments since we met.
Aaron, you and I both know how indecisive I am at times, but if there is one decision in my life that I know is the right one, it's to spend the rest of my life with you. There are so many things I love about you, like how you're the best dad to Bowen and how you work your ass off to give us a good life. I promise to always love you, even at times when I may not like you. I promise to stick with you when life takes us down a tough path. I promise to encourage you and push you towards your dreams. I promise to keep building our beautiful life together. And most importantly, I promise to always give you back rubs, no matter how tired I am, but not every day. I can't wait to have many more adventures with you, and maybe one day we'll be able to drive the Samurai off into the sunset if it ever ends up running.
It gives me enormous pleasure to invite you to seal your vows with a kiss as I pronounce you husband and wife. Aaron, you may kiss your bride.
You can take as many photos as you like of me and our son Bowen, just as long as there's Coors Light and they're flowing.
The poem, beautiful.
Sort of a poem. Beer poem.